for the 25 months. I'm gonna go for the same thing. I'm gonna play the Queen's Indian. Play check. Castle. Play knight e4, of course. Pretty standard theory. I'm surprised that Dunlaz is so deep in the tank here. Knight FD2 I think is a mistake. Wait, this is not right, but wait a second. Wait a second, this is, I believe, mistakes of E5. No, he's made a big mistake here. I think this is actually very bad for white. So like take, and there's a problem with this line, as I recall. As I recall, this is actually very bad for black, or for white, I should say. Yeah, he accidentally walked into some prep here. Queen e3, or maybe prep is the wrong word. It's still probably balanced, actually. I gotta trade. This isn't actually what I wanted to do. But the show goes on. We just play chess. What's the big deal? Plays queen d2. So if I take, he's gonna trade the queens, which is not what I want. He's trying to use the meta against me. He knows that I'm desperate to get a record. Shoot, he's trying to use the meta against me. Crud. But what a... I don't really want to go queen c8 to keep queens. I think I have to go for this. He's trying to force a draw here. I'm just gonna play though. I'm gonna play on. Oh, he takes with the king. Wow. Okay, it's game on then, I guess. I did not expect that, actually. Wow. Okay. I guess I'll go here, knight f6 maybe. It's still very, very drawish. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna go queen c8 here. Normally I would never do this. Like, I would just play knight f6 and make a draw, but you don't get to go for a record every day, so I'm gonna go for it. This time I'm gonna gamble. This time I'm gonna gamble. Go here, knight e6, I guess. This is not wonderful by any stretch. Okay, I go rook e8, of course. It's not easy to play for white, though, actually, because knight on d5 is not secure. I have c6. I also have a5 somewhere. Question is, do I play f6? I'm gonna go c6 to kick the knight. It goes there. I can play f5 maybe, which is kind of... it feels too icky. Just go here. f5 is maybe playable, but I think it's very dangerous. Okay, I'll just go here, trade the queens, play an endgame. Up 30 seconds, so be it. Maybe I can pretend that my name is Magnus Carlsen. Okay, I don't like a4, actually. Wait, do I have a5 here, maybe? a5? a5, rook a b1. No. So, maybe, like... I'm gonna go here. I've got to move a little bit quicker. I need to press him hard on the clock. Actually, I just realized I need to really press him on the clock if I can. Because the way that I'm going to win this game is get him low on time and he makes a blunder. Let's go here, bring the king, play f6. Okay, I'll go... I think I'm going to go here. I don't mind b5, so I'll just slide the king back. Let's play h5, of course. Yeah, the way that I win this game is I get him low on time and he makes a mistake in an endgame. Okay, the thing is, where does my knight belong? I need my knight on, like... I'm gonna go here. I might play a5 at some point now. I don't know if I should, but I might. Okay, goes knight e4. Doesn't really concern me that much. Thing is, how do I... A5 takes rook A4, knight D6. I don't want to go there. I think I'm going to play knight D8. I'm kind of being very passive here, but I'm also being very coy as well. Like, I'm trying to force him to start pushing. Okay, because now you go back. Goes rook C1. I just go rook B8. I'm trying to really get him low on time and where he makes a blunder. Now, he plays rook C4, but doesn't this give me rook A8, or am I crazy? I think he might have just made a slight mistake. It's not a big mistake, but it's a very slight mistake. But knight C3 is a good move that I didn't see. Shoot. Let's go back. Knight C3 is a good move. I didn't see it at all. But he's getting low on time. Oh, is it just a B5? Did I just blunder this? Great, I did. Yeah, and he sees this one too. Shoot. There's no way to... crud. There's no way to win this. Shoot. I'm gonna play on, but... Of course I'm gonna play on, because, I mean, this is my shot at glory. Here? Wait, where's my rook? Where's my rook? It's on B6. Oh, yeah. Check. I don't actually know how I'm trying to win this, but I go here, maybe? Let's go here, maybe? That doesn't do anything either. Yeah, there's no way to win this, unfortunately. Okay, I'm gonna go F5 and try to do something here, I guess. Sure, maybe? How do I do this? Oh shoot, is there still no way to win? There's no way to win. Ah, shoot.